What the prices currently look like across India as far as petrol and diesel is concerned. As of today, the prices in New Delhi for petrol stand at 97.77 rupees, a hike of 3 rupees there, as also with diesel, which is at 90.7 rupees. We are fixing that technical glitch on our screen, but everywhere in India prices have increased by 3 rupees. In fact, let's go to my colleague who is also live from Lucknow. What is the situation there? How are commuters reacting to the hike in fuel prices?
Hike from today. I am at the petrol pump, Indian Oil petrol pump in Lucknow. See, I am at the petrol pump in Lucknow. You can see the new rates behind me. The petrol price is 97 rupees and 53 paisa per liter, and diesel 90 rupees 81 paisa per liter. For transporters and farmers, the impact is even bigger. We try to know what the people think. आज जिस तरीके से पेट्रोल और डीजल के दाम बढ़े हैं, 3 रुपए इसके लीटर हम क्या करना चाहिए? कितना असर आपके बजट पर पड़ेगा?
बजट पे तो पड़ेगा, लेकिन अब क्या करेंगे सर, देश पे भी तो बजट का असर पड़ रहा है, तो उसके लिए हमें भी सहयोग करना है।
जिस तरीके से प्रधानमंत्री जी ने अपील की थी कि आप फ्यूल कट करें, ज़्यादातर ईवी का प्रयोग करें, और
सर जिसके पास जो है वो प्रयोग करेंगे, लेकिन एक अपने दायरे में प्रयोग करें। जो एक्सेस खर्च थे उसके आगे थोड़ा सा बचा के चलना है हमें, तभी तो हम देश के साथ खड़े हैं।
आपने देखा होगा मूल ने दाम बढ़ाया, मदर डेयरी, तमाम डेयरी ने। इसके बाद अब आपके जो बजट है उस पर
काफ़ी असर तो पड़ेगा, लेकिन सर हमें देश के साथ भी तो चलना है, देश के हित में भी तो चलना है, तो इसीलिए थोड़ा सा एडजस्ट तो करना ही पड़ेगा सर।
सुबह से इसका कितना असर दिख रहा है?
कम है भैया, थोड़ा थोड़ा भीड़ कम है, भीड़ कम है थोड़ा थोड़ा।
रोज की अपेक्षा आज रोज ज़्यादा भीड़, जबकि 8 बजने वाले हैं। और
हाँ, रोज से कम है आज, भीड़ कम है थोड़ा।
तो मोर पीपल्स, आज किस तरीके से भीड़ कितनी ज़्यादा है?
भीड़ तो बहुत कम है,
जबकि ये ऐसा पेट्रोल पंप है जहाँ पर व्यस्ततम रहते। क्या कारण, क्या प्रधानमंत्री की अपील का असर है या फिर लोग आ नहीं रहे प्राइस के कारण?
पहले बार तो प्रधानमंत्री का है सब कुछ लेना
की अपील के बाद ये असर देखने को मिला। रोज कितनी भीड़ रहती थी यहाँ पर?
बहुत कम रहते थे।
इस आज के रोज की अपेक्षा आज कम भीड़ है।
आज तो बहुत कम है।
इसका कारण क्या है? प्राइस का बढ़ना कि या फिर
तेल का कारण है, तेल कम आता।
इसका
तेल मिल नहीं रहा।
तेल तो सरकार करेगी, पर्याप्त है हमारे पास,
मगर मिल कहाँ रहा है? टाइम पे मिल कहाँ रहा है? जब टाइम पे मिलता नहीं तो क्या करेगा?
Yes, over to you, Kriti.
That's the situation in Lucknow. The crowds at the petrol pumps have reduced. Bengaluru, Belly is also live. Belly, how are people reacting? Did they anticipate this would happen?
Kriti, right now I am at an Indian Oil retail outlet here in Bengaluru, and people have kind of surprised with this price hike. We are seeing that a lot of commuters are there. You can see the price written here. The price of the petrol is now 106.21. So a price hike of 3 rupees 25 paise is what the petrol bunk owners are claiming. And for the diesel, you can see that it is around 94.10 paise. Let's find out from a commuter here. Sir, what do you think of the price rise?
Sir, actually I'm late. I will talk to you later, sir. Bye.
Okay, he's in a bit of hurry, so there is no much crowd. I think the Prime Minister's appeal has been taken seriously by people here, and we don't see much of a crowd, even if it's the peak hour is going to set in. I can also ask my VJ to pan in on the auto LPGs here. So the price hike for the LPG was done on May 1st. and the rate that is on the pump here is around 95.24 rupees per kilogram. So the bunk owner says that the price hike might happen in 2 days time is what they are expecting. We'll try to find out, sir, price hike has happened. Your thoughts on that?
English no.
Okay. So let's talk to the owner of the bunk. So here at this bunk, there are no much of crowd that we see. Now I have with me the owner of the bunk, Pradeep sir. Right? So what do you think of the price rise, sir? Like how much has been increased, and about the diesel, petrol and the auto LPG?
All the products, we have 4 products here like petrol, premium petrol, diesel and extra green diesel. Everything has increased by 3 rupees. We expected it should be anything around 10-15 rupees. Like all the private petrol bunks, like opposite we have a Shell, they have increased about 15 to 20 rupees recently. We also expecting around 10 to 15 rupees. Considering that there has been a huge increase in the bulk diesel, right? So people are not getting the diesel. So we also are not getting a much diesel. We were actually shortage of diesel because the bulk diesel price has been increased. So we were expecting something around 10 rupees for diesel, but this is good for the customers. That just 3 rupees increased by all the products. So yeah.
Okay. So what do you think about the frequency of the customers? Has it dropped down since the appeal of Prime Minister Narendra Modi?
Actually, it has been increased by 10%. I can say the yesterday and day before yesterday, I think people might have got the hint of rate increase. There have been speculations or rumors going around on the date of 15th will be the price hike. So we had seen a 10% increase in the customers.
So what you can say about the LPG, auto LPG?
Auto LPG, the now supply is very good. We are getting adequate supply for the LPG. We have seen a drop in the customers in the last month. If you have seen, like, where the large queues, about a kilometer, we had a large queues, and we were selling. I think whatever it comes, it would be sold out in a day. Now we have it. It has been normalized, I can say, for LPG.
Okay.
Yeah.
So about the rates that.
The rate has significantly increased from 63 rupees to 95 rupees for LPG, auto LPG. So comparing to the private, we are still on the lower side. I think now we have 95 rupees. The private, some of AGs, Total Gas, they have crossed 100.
Okay.
Yeah.
So thank you so much for sharing that with us. So that was the bunk owner Pradeep talking on the stock of petrol here and the customers, the frequency of customers, what we can get from Bengaluru as a ground report. Back to you, Kriti.
Right, sure. Finally, we have our colleague in Mumbai as well, Shweta. How are people reacting to the development? What is the footfall like? Are people even aware that prices have been increased this morning? Many would yet to be rise.
Well, pretty here, I'm currently at the fuel station, and you can see. I'll quickly shift my camera and show you what is the scene like here. And again, as it was being mentioned, that not much of a crowd we can see here. And yes, people are very well aware that the fuel prices have gone up, and particularly talking about Mumbai. Mumbai seemed to be on a harder list, where you can see the latest price. It says about 106 rupees 0.68 paise. So clearly 3.14 rupees we have been seeing that there is in hike, and in diesel also the current price stands at 116.39 paise, and clearly it was somewhere anticipated by the public also. Just a few days back, when PM gave, in fact, he urged and he appealed people to use the fuel very judicially. Since then, it was somewhere lingering in people's mind whether the fuel prices will go up or not. And today we are seeing that now we talk about petrol and diesel, the prices have gone up. Similarly, remember yesterday in Mumbai, particularly in MMR region, the CNG prices went up. Earlier it was 82 rupees. Now it stands at 84 rupees. And as we speak about petrol, it was 103 rupees earlier, and now it stands at 106 rupees 0.39 paise. And similarly, diesel is also at 116 rupees. We have seen how the fuel prices have gone up across nation. But yes, Mumbai, we are seeing that it is slightly on the expensive side. But I do not have pretty much people to speak. People are going, they are off to offices, and here there are only a few vehicles which are parked at here at the fuel station. But clearly, we have been seeing that as far as Mumbaikas, we know, Mumbaikas were anticipating this change, and it doesn't come to a surprise to them, but certainly it will be something very heavy on their pockets. Back to you.
Right, Rajkiran is also there live from Hyderabad. Rajkiran, what are the prices there in Hyderabad of fuel as of today? And again, what is it that people are responding with to this development?
Yes, Kriti, as everywhere in India, the Hyderabad also 3 rupees has been increased in the prices. On last day, it was 107 rupees, and today it's 110. We can clearly see the price board here. It was written here. I'm in Hyderabad, the petrol bunk. We can clearly see here it's petrol 1 rupees 10 paisa, 1 rupees 10 rupees, 110 rupees 78 paisa, and the diesel is 98 rupees 90 paisa. And power petrol is more higher than normal petrol, is 121 rupees. So we can clearly see the prices of the petrol here in Hyderabad. Let's talk to a few of the people what exactly they wanted to say on that and what exactly they are feeling. भाई पेट्रोल का प्राइस 3 रुपए बढ़ गया, आपको क्या लग रहा है? अच्छा, प्रधानमंत्री ने बताया आपको कि कुछ दिन पहले कि पेट्रोल के बचावट करे, कम पेट्रोल को इस्तेमाल करे, पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट को ज्यादा यूज करे। इसके ऊपर क्या लगता है आपको? अच्छा, आप आगे पूछेंगे कि भाई आपको क्या लग रहा है कि पेट्रोल के दाम एकदम 3 रुपए बढ़ गया रातों रात? The people are refusing to talk, and I spoke to one of the person. He was clearly saying that it's when the petrol prices have increased, we have to bear that, and we have to continue. Without the petrol, we cannot go anywhere. We cannot go for work. We cannot go anywhere. So let's talk to the few more people. भाई पेट्रोल का दाम 3 रुपए बढ़ गया, आपको क्या लग रहा है? 3 रुपए एकदम बढ़ गया एक ही दिन में? अच्छा, आपको क्या लगता है कि एकदम 3 रुपए बढ़ गए हैं? प्रधानमंत्री कुछ दिन पहले बोले थे कि पेट्रोल को कम इस्तेमाल करिए, ज्यादा से ज्यादा पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट। See, people are here very angry on the increases of increase of the petrol prices, and let's also talk to the few of the भाई 3 रुपए कल रात में पेट्रोल 3 रुपए बढ़ गया.
And with that, viewers, let me go across to my colleague Uday Pratap Singh for the latest news from Maharashtra.